afternoon, everyone. I'm Mark from Solis. So I'm handling the SIA group of pre-sales and support. So currently, we're on our Solis booth right now in the Philippine Solar Show, one of the biggest show in the Philippines. So we'll be discussing about our product, which is our Solis inverters. So we have a lot of inverters that caters to a different platform. So we have residential, industrial scale, and utility scale. In this case, this is our three-phase flagship for 75 low voltage three-phase system. This is our latest model, which is the hybrid backup 50 kilowatt hybrid inverter using a 440 volts grid. So supports Delta and WYE. This is for a huge installation, which is around 350 kilowatt. This one handles more on the solar farm because its output is 800 volts. So this is our flagship when it comes to the largest grid tie inverter that we have. Okay, so this one is for commercial, this one is for utility scale, and for the solar installer. So back here, as you can see, the other connectivity, you have the PV, export power manager, the grid box, and the CT. So all in all, it's just our hybrid or our inverter is only one of the component within the entire system of the grid. So to limit it, you have an EPM. So we cater both for residential and commercial use when it comes to the grid tie inverters, both hybrids and also grid tie inverters. So for more details, you can contact our installers. So we have 3 installers in the Philippines: Ian, Isan, and also Griwa. Thank you.